you get out of the way, please, so that we can start the video?
Oh, man!
Hi, science fans, we're back.
Wait, what did I miss?
Well, Sheldon, basically.
Oh, jeez.
Hijacked the video.
Oh,
But we're back with Dr. Laura and...
Hello. Not Dr. Laura and Sheldon.
Not Dr. Laura and Sheldon. And we're back with another experiment from the Frightful First Experiment box by
Scalp. I have a feeling this experiment might take a turn.
And this one is called Something's Afoot.
Something's afoot. What, like a stompy foot?
Yes. So let's see what our letter says. So it's Miss Perkins, Something's Afoot. So did you like the eyeball prank?
Oh, yes.
We just couldn't stop laughing. Here's a jigsaw piece.
Wait, oh look, hold on. Wrong way.
Oh, we're so close.
We
close.
got 3 pieces left, but wait, only 2 days.
Oh my god.
Oh dear.
Right, hope you like this next experiment from Miss Perkins. So, I had a teacher called Miss Perkins once. She wasn't very nice. So, I hope it's a different Miss Perkins. Anyway.
Yeah.
So this one's called Something's Afoot. Now, what you need is a tape measure.
Okay, random, but we have it.
A paper and pencil. Well, we've got a pad and a pen.
Yeah, this is from a different...
No, it's from this one.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this pad is actually in the kit. The pen isn't, and this isn't. So.
Okay.
I'm a good friend. Well, I don't have a good friend, but I've got you.
Oh, you have Dad.
Well, I've got you.
Okay.
So I'm going to measure you, and we're going to write it down.
How are we going to do that?
Wow.
Okay.
So, first of all, I'm going to measure between your elbow and your wrist. Right? And we'll see how long that is. So straighten your arm out. And I would say that is about 20 centimetres.
20 centimeters.
Okay.
Okay.
And we're going to write that down. So do you want to write it down?
Okay, so 20. Oh, do I need just 20?
20 centimetres.
How do you do centimeters? CM.
Yeah. Let's call that E to W, elbow to wrist.
E to W.
Okay.
And I'll just do it.
Right, now I want to measure your foot. So
Random.
give me your foot.
I'm wearing cat socks, by the way, guys.
Okay, nice foot.
Nice cat socks.
Right. And your foot
Oh, God.
is 20 centimetres.
So, how about we do 20 centimeters F?
Okay.
20 centimeters. Wait, my foot's this long? Wow. I'd never knew my foot was that long.
Okay.
Honestly. Hold on, wait. What if we do a comparison? No, it's not that long though.
It is. I just measured it.
Look, there's more.
I just measured it. It's the same.
Do it one more time.
It was actually a bit longer.
It was?
Yeah. There we go. So to your big toe, which is
my
like
big
normally
toe.
long anyway. So your big toe is 22 centimetres.
Oh, well, I wrote 20
So the middle of your foot is 20. Right.
Wow.
Now I want you to take one end of it, right, and go like this.
Okay.
Right?
Like this?
Yeah. And we're going to measure. Are we going all the way to the fingertips? Yeah, so from the tip of your longest finger. So hold it out to your longest finger.
I don't know. Can I just do my thumb?
No, tip it to your longest finger.
That's my middle finger, I think.
Yeah.
I don't want to do the middle finger on camera.
Come on.
Can I
That's
do
it. And all the way. And the same to this one.
Middle finger.
Right, 150.
Oh.
153.
153.
Right, so arms.
Okay, I'm gonna do 150 centimeter from arm to arm.
Yeah, 153.
Oh. 153 centimeters to arm.
Alright, now I want you to stand up.
Oh, jeez. How is this experiment gonna work? You're gonna have to stand up.
No, I don't need to stand up. Right, stand up straight. Are you standing up straight?
Yes. Cause wait, the camera can't see my head.
That's okay.
Oh, man.
And we're going to measure how tall you are.
How tall am I? Make it. Oh.
Just pop your foot on the bottom of that.
Okay.
On that little taggy bit.
Hold on. I can do it.
Is it done?
Yeah.
153 centimetres.
What?
So, height.
The height. But wait, that doesn't make sense. Is that meant to be the experiment? Like, it doesn't make sense? Tell me why.
So what doesn't make sense?
It doesn't make sense that my whole body length is the size of like just my arms. Like, I am not this short. I am not this short.
I mean, you are. So what have the measurements told you?
Measurements have told me that my foot and my elbow to my wrist are the same length. My foot's really long, and that my body is the same size as two of my arms. Tell me why.
So that's how your body. So when when your body is made up of all sorts of different genes. We talked about not genes that you wear.
Yeah.
Genes.
Genes. Cool.
And they are the things. They're like a chemical code, right? That tell your body and your cells how to grow and how to make a complete human body, right? So your genes make sure that everything grows in proportion, right? So you don't end up having like a massive hand on one side and a tiny hand on the other side, unlike you and your tiny toe.
Oh, don't say that! Oh no.
So one of the things that makes sure that your body is in proportion is that your arm and your foot are the same. So if I measured mine, it'd be the same. Right?
Your foot is this long?
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you want to measure mine and see if it's the same?
Hold on. I just want to see.
Well, no, mine's going to be
Is
longer
my
than
foot
yours.
okay? Thank God.
So you measure mine.
Okay.
From there to my wrist.
Oh, to your wrist, like here?
Yeah. So what does that say? 29, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. And let's measure my foot.
Your foot.
This isn't going to be as easy as you did. Right. Here, you have that.
Okay. Wait, I have my mother's foot here, everyone. Hold on. Oh, your big toe. Hold on. Hold on, to back, like here?
Yeah.
That's like 25.
No, keep going. Dude.
Here?
Yeah.
26 or
There
27.
There we go.
But that one's 29.
Well, maybe we measured the wrong place here.
Do your own foot. Oh,
Yeah. So 25, 26.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And my foot was 25.
Yeah.
So everyone, if we did Dad's, it would be the same.
Yeah.
Right? And if we measured my arms,
Oh, no.
they would be
I love doing
175 centimetres because that's how tall I am. Ready?
Oh.
Should we check?
that. No. Okay, fine.
So if I go...
It's upside down. I can't read
That's
it.
all right. If I do that, 174 and a half.
Oh,
So
that's
I
fine.
think that was close enough, wasn't it? So yeah, so that's just one of the magics of being human, is that you're all in proportion. So what do you think about that experiment?
That's pretty cool.
Yeah?
You still have to go for this.
I'm going to give it a 9.
I'm gonna give it a 7.
Okay.
You go for it.
Well, I just liked it. I mean, I thought it was clever. The
It's
way that our
clever,
bodies
yeah.
make sure that we're in proportion. I really like the way it fried your head to start with. Because you were like, what? My foot can't be the same as my arm?
No, but like actually, my foot isn't that. Look here.
It is. It is.
Oh,
Look.
Okay, it is, guys. And I did a 7 just because.
But it's not a 10 because there was nothing from the kit.
It wasn't?
Apart from the book. So yeah, so I quite like that one. So you've got a 7, I've got a 9. That makes an 8. So there we go. That one gets an 8.
8.
So that was Something's Afoot from the Frightful First Experiment.
I still don't know why it's called Something's Afoot.
Afoot. Afoot.
I know, but like, what?
Well, when you say afoot, it can mean like there's something going on.
Oh.
Something's afoot can mean something's going on, but it can also mean afoot.
What?
So it's what's called a play on words.
Ah.
Yeah, anyway, that was Something's Afoot from the Frightful First Experiments Lab by
Yelp.
If you like what we do, go to our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie.
And don't forget to
like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time. Bye for now, science fans.
Bye, but
Bye.
wait, where did Sheldon go?
Well, you dropped Sheldon.
No, Sheldon dropped himself.
Oh, Sheldon jumped. Let's hope he's okay.
Okay.
See you later, science fans. Bye.
Bye.